Hey everyone, in this video I want to give you a brief overview of the 6290 AUI keypad. Let's start with the home security screen. The security screen allows the arming, disarming, and viewing the status of your system. You have several options such as arm away, arm stay, and disarm. Under setup, you have options for system info, system setup, system Wi-Fi, display and audio setup, along with brightness and volume. Selecting System Info will show you the software version of the 6290, MAC address, and interface name. System Setup will let you set the time and date, adjust settings such as ECP information, add users, and some other advanced features. To change the ECP address, select CS Setup and enter the installer code of the panel. Adjust the ECP address as needed. The homepage options let you select between security, as seen in this video, or legacy viewing for the home screen. For operating modes, you have normal, safe, and demo. Moving to the security screen, you can choose which screens require a valid code to access. Code Authority will let you check the authority level of a code. Enter in the code you wish to verify here. We can see that the master code has master access for all partitions with an undefined username. Panel config will show you information such as the panel type and revision. With user setup, you can add and manage users through the graphical display of the 6290. You can add as many users as the panel supports through this function. To add a user, press the plus symbol in the lower right of the screen. Select the partition of the user and the authority of the user. Next, enter the 3-digit user number. For example, to add user number 4, enter 004. Press the green arrow on the keyboard. If the user will be linked to a key fob, enter a 3-digit zone that the key fob is programmed on. Next, enter a name for the user, then press the green check mark on the keyboard. Lastly, enter the 4-digit user code. Under Advanced Setup, you have options for Power Mode, Night Setup, and Keypad Reset. Power Mode allows you to enable power-saving features. Night Setup adjusts how the system will arm when using the Night Arm function from the security screen. Lastly, Keypad Reset performs a reboot for the keypad. This was just a quick overview of the available features on the 6290 AUI keypad. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.